Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2019 plate Audi TT. This lovely white colour. What I do is I'll take you around the bodywork, I'll take you inside, point out any features along the way. It starts with the front left. These really bright LED daytime running lights, also LED headlights. Out to the front. Over to the front right. I'll show you across the bonnet so you can see there's no dents or marks along the bonnet at all. I'll show you across the windscreen as well. Got a little tiny chip there that we're going to get removed. That's the front right, down the right hand side. So it's the first wheel. Small curbing marks on the wheels that we are going to get, and the wheels refurbished as well. So, up point of viewing, hopefully they'll all be repaired and sorted. Out to the right hand side of the car. This wheel's in pretty good condition. Good tread on the tyres. Probably saying we should be able to see any dents, but we can't because there aren't any. Same down the seals along the side. Out to the back right, so you've got your rear parking sensors. A surprising amount of boot space as well. Definitely get a couple of suitcases and about a month's worth of shopping in there. Out to the back, got the double exhaust, which is nice. Back left. Good tread on the tyres. Marks around the wheels, but like I said, they will be refurbished. So that pretty much covers most of the outside, so I'll take you inside now. So down here you've got the metal S seals. You've also got these sports S-line seats as well, with half black leather and half suede. Same for the back. So that's the original first aid kit. Over here you've got your electric windows and heated mirrors. Alright, so this is the interior view, driver's view. So straight away over here you've got heated seats. Same, that's front right and front left as well. This is your main infotainment. It's all controlled through the steering wheel, or your passenger can control it from there, or you can, depending on what you prefer. So in the car bit, you've got, this is your trip computers and driver information. Here you got your sound, got your radio. All working well. So you've got your FM and your DAB radio there. Media, so you've got your Bluetooth audio, and I'm pretty sure you've got an aux input as well. Telephone, so Bluetooth telephone, and you can change the view as well, so you can have more or less information. So over here, for example, in that view you've got the image, or in that view so you can see your more relevant driver information. So this is an automatic, so we've got an S Tronic gearbox, nice and smooth, and then moves over into a manual setting as well. In here you've got your aux input and your USB inputs. Up here you've got your drive select, efficiency mode, comfort mode. You can also set an individual mode. Your start stop, your dynamic traction control, and then this button here controls the rear wing. It does also come up automatically. So like I said, down here, these also control your driver computer. Got rear windscreen warmers, keyless entry, cup holder in the back, and that pretty much sums it up. Auto lights, and that's what the car looks like with the wing up. And that pretty much sums the car up. If you are interested in booking the viewing, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781. Vehicle comes with a 1-year warranty, 1-year MOT and 1 year AA breakdown cover. If you'd like to find more information about us as a company or this vehicle in particular, please have a look at the advert on our website, paylessforacar.com. Hope you're well, hope to see you from you soon. Take care.